Optical character recognition, also called OCR, is practical to extract text information from a picture. It can also maintain the content layout in the source picture. The first example will show you how to extract text from a picture. Go to the Tool tab and click OCR. In the pop-up dialog, click Screen Capture to take a screenshot of a selected area. Choose Extract Text Only, then we can get the text from the dialog on the right-hand side. If you've joined WPS Premium, you can convert the picture as an editable document, Word, and Excel. The following example will demonstrate how to convert the picture to Excel. Click Add Pictures to choose from a local picture. We can also choose from the 3 target document formats. Here we choose Convert to Excel and click Confirm to complete the operations. Now an editable worksheet is extracted from the picture. Generally speaking, the OCR function can extract information from a picture, which is helpful to data entry.